Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to remove and replace the heater blower motor and the resistor on Mercedes W124. The heater blower motor and the resistor are located underneath those plastic covers, so we need to remove them first. So next we're going to be removing these bolts, 4 or 5 on one side and 4 or 5 on the other side. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we will remove a couple of clips holding this plastic cover. There's 2 on the side and one in the middle. Next, we'll remove the small bolts that hold the plastic cover on the windscreen wiper. There's also another 2 bolts holding the this plastic. One of them is over there and the other one on the other side. Next, we'll remove the 2 brackets, the one that I'm removing, and there is another one on the other side. And now the plastic is getting loose and we can start removing. And that's the plastic out. Next, we need to remove the wiper mechanism. It's held by 3 bolts that we need to remove, and we just take it out. Before removing the wiper mechanism, we need to disconnect one connector, and then we can take out the wiper mechanism. And now we have access to the heater blower motor. We just need to remove this plastic cover. It's held by a couple of clips, one there, one about 5-6 clips on all sides, and we just remove the cover. And now we have access to the heater blower motor. To remove the heater blower motor, there is a metal bracket that we need to remove. It's just there, and also we need to disconnect the 2 cables. That's the metal bracket removed. Now we can take out the heater blower motor. Now that we've removed the heater blower motor, we have access to the resistor. The resistor is just there. And there is a couple of bolts that we need to remove. I'm not going to remove them, but it's pretty easy to get to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.